Hi, today we're going to be making a sock puppet and we're going to be making a zebra. The supplies that you have make a sock puppet, one sock puppet for either a zebra or a snake. But the instructions today are just for making a zebra. Take all your supplies out of your bag that says sock puppet. Take your sock, find the seam, and put the sock down that the seam is facing you. And the first thing we're going to do is you've got two small rectangles. One may be slightly larger than the other, it's fine. And I want you to cut circles. And once you've cut two small circles, we're going to use those to put the eyes on. So find your googly eyes, and your googly eyes are going to be in that plastic bag. And we're going to put lots of glue on our little black circle that we cut. And then we're going to take that and put lots of glue on our sock. And we've got the eyes of the zebra. Don't worry if your glue spills over, and I'm going to show you how you see the purple of my glue. It's going to dry clear, so it's fine. That's the fun thing about art. There's never a problem. You can always fix it. Okay? So I've got my eyes. The next thing I'm going to do is the mane, the hair that's on the zebra. You have a neck size rectangle, not the very biggest one, but the medium size rectangle. And I cut lines in the top. I just cut lines all the way across, but not all the way to the bottom. Then I'm going to glue that part right down the center between the eyes of my zebra. One of the things you're going to see is the felt takes a lot of glue to stick and the sock. So really put a generous amount of glue on. Okay? So here is my small rectangle. I've cut the fringe. I put glue only on one side. I have a strip of glue down the middle of my sock, and I'm going to attach the mane. This is starting to look like a zebra. Okay. Really press it hard. Once it dries, you can bend it back and help it to stand up, because my finished one, the mane does stand up. Okay. The next thing, from your large rectangle, cut stripes. Just strips up, keep cutting all the way through, and you'll see it's wider than the zebra. You'll trim those, don't worry about that. And when you get those, glue those on. You may want to only put two on this side and save some of the stripes for the other side. That's what I'm doing. I have two stripes on this side. Now, flip the sock over, and here we're going to do the most important part, the mouth. You should have a red oval. Take your glue, and again, a generous amount of glue, and glue one side of that felt piece. Lots and lots of glue. Now, I glued it on the other side, not on the side with the eyes, but on the other side, and I glued it near the top, but not at the very top. I left a little space. So I'm going to put some glue on my sock on the back side of the sock. I have glued my red oval, and I'm going to press that down. Then I'm going to take the other stripes that I've cut, and I'm going to glue those on. To finish your zebra, take your time. You'll come back and you can be cutting more stripes and decorating, and if your stripes are at an angle, that's fine. But to finish your zebra, what we're going to do is make his nostrils. So I cut a black circle, and then from my yellow felt, I cut 2 small yellow circles. I'm going to glue those on. So I have a black circle with 2 small yellow circles. I'm going to flip it back over to the side with the eyes. And I'm finished. I have a zebra puppet. Have fun.